Have you ever looked up at the night sky, gazed at the red planet and wondered if we are alone in the universe? Our curiosity about Mars, the enigmatic red planet, is as old as our earliest civilizations. For centuries, Mars has been a symbol of the unknown, the unreachable, and the mysterious. It has been the muse of countless stories, from ancient myths to modern science fiction, all speculating about the possibility of life beyond our own world. Over the years, the allure of Mars has grown, fueled by our insatiable curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Its crimson hue, visible even to the naked eye, has sparked imaginations and provoked questions. Is there life on Mars? Could it be a potential habitat for life as we know it? Or is it simply a barren desert, a world of red dust and desolation? These questions have driven scientific exploration and technological advancements, propelling us towards the stars. Mars, once a distant dream, is now within our reach. Today, it's not just the stuff of science fiction, it's a tangible reality, a potential destination for future generations. But what makes Mars so fascinating? It's not just its proximity to us, or its striking red appearance. It's the possibility that Mars may once have been a lot like Earth. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars might have had a climate similar to Earth's, with liquid water and a thicker atmosphere. This tantalizing possibility opens the door to the question, if Mars was once like Earth, could it have harbored life? As we stand on the brink of a new era, with the prospect of sending humans to Mars in the not-too-distant future, these questions take on a new urgency. They challenge our understanding of life, the universe, and our place in it. As we delve into the mysteries of the red planet, we might just find the answers to some of our biggest questions. Human curiosity has driven us to explore Mars for centuries, yet it remains cloaked in mystery. Let's journey back in time to when ancient astronomers first observed Mars. They noticed its reddish hue, earning it the nickname, the Red Planet. Over time, as our understanding of the cosmos grew, so did our fascination with this distant planet. Fast forward to the 17th century, when Italian astronomer Giovanni Domenico Cassini first measured Mars's rotational period with remarkable accuracy. This discovery was a testament to humanity's growing understanding and capabilities. As we entered the 20th century, our curiosity was not just limited to observations from Earth. In the 1960s, space agencies began launching missions to Mars. The first successful mission was NASA's Mariner 4, which flew by Mars in 1965, sending back the first close-up photographs of another planet. Then came the Viking missions in the 1970s, which landed on Mars and conducted experiments. These missions were milestones not just for their technical achievements, but also for the questions they raised. They sparked debates about the possibility of life on Mars, igniting our imaginations and fueling our desire to explore further. In the early 21st century, the Mars rovers, like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, revolutionized our understanding of the red planet. They discovered evidence of water in Mars's past, which opened up possibilities of Mars once having been hospitable to life. Most recently, in 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars, equipped with the most advanced technology yet. It's on a mission to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples for future return to Earth. Each of these missions has unraveled a piece of the Mars puzzle. They've shown us that Mars is not just a distant, barren planet, but a world with a complex and fascinating history. The more we learn about Mars, the more it fuels our curiosity and propels us further into the unknown. In the pursuit of answers, scientists are making groundbreaking discoveries about Mars. With the advancement of technology and the relentless curiosity of humankind, we're peeling back the layers of mystery that shroud the red planet. We're not just looking for life, we're searching for the fundamental building blocks that make life as we know it possible. Let's talk about water first. Water is the elixir of life. Without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. Recent research has given us compelling evidence that liquid water flows intermittently on present-day Mars. The discovery came from analyzing images from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which showed dark, finger-like markings that extend down some Martian slopes. These appear to ebb and flow over time and darken, and appear to flow down steep slopes during warm seasons. This suggests that water is likely a seasonal occurrence on Mars. In addition to water, the geological features of Mars are also a significant focus of research. Mars is home to the largest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the towering volcano, is 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and the Valles Marineris system of valleys is more than 5 times as long as the Grand Canyon and 3 times as deep. These geological wonders tell us that Mars was once a geologically active planet, and this activity could have created environments conducive to life. And then, there's the search for microbial life. Microbes are the hardy pioneers of life on Earth, thriving in the most extreme environments. They've been found in the deepest oceans and the highest mountains. If life exists on Mars, it's likely to be microbial. The Mars Science Laboratory's Curiosity rover has been exploring Gale Crater since 2012, hunting for signs of past life. It has found evidence of ancient freshwater lakes and complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life. The European Space Agency's ExoMars rover, set to launch in 2024, will take the search a step further. It's equipped with a 2-meter drill to collect samples from below the surface, where life may be hiding from the harsh Martian environment. Then there's the tantalizing prospect of methane on Mars. On Earth, most methane is produced by biological processes, so the detection of methane on Mars could indicate life. But methane can also be produced by geological processes, so it's not definitive proof. Still, the Curiosity rover has detected seasonal variations in methane levels, sparking excitement and intrigue in the scientific community. With every new discovery, we inch closer to answering the question, could there be life on Mars? Each clue we uncover paints a more complex picture of our neighboring planet. And with each piece of the puzzle, we come to understand more not just about Mars, but about the vast, mysterious universe we inhabit. Mars, it seems, is not just a red dot in the sky, but a world with its own story waiting to be told. As we stand on the brink of a new era of Mars exploration, what might the future hold? The next frontier of Mars exploration is already on our doorstep, ushering in an era of possibilities that could redefine humanity's place in the universe. There are countless missions planned, both robotic and human, that aim to deepen our understanding of the Red Planet. NASA's Mars Sample Return mission is one such endeavor. This ambitious project intends to bring Martian soil back to Earth for the first time in history, allowing scientists to study Martian matter in ways that were previously impossible. The knowledge gleaned from this mission could be pivotal in determining whether life ever existed on Mars. Simultaneously, the dream of human colonization of Mars is becoming more tangible. Visionaries like Elon Musk are leading the charge with plans to send the first crewed mission to Mars within the decade. The goal? To establish a self-sustaining colony of 1 million people on Mars by the end of the century. However, this vision doesn't come without its challenges. Mars is a harsh and unforgiving environment, with temperatures that can plummet to -80 degrees Celsius and an atmosphere that is mostly carbon dioxide. Plus, there's the small matter of cosmic radiation and microgravity, which could have severe health impacts on humans. Yet the potential benefits are extraordinary. Colonizing Mars could be a safeguard for humanity, a lifeboat in the event of a catastrophe on Earth. Plus, the technological advancements and innovations required for such a feat could spur unprecedented scientific and economic growth. One thing is certain, the journey to Mars will be fraught with challenges. But as history has shown us, humanity is more than capable of overcoming obstacles in the pursuit of knowledge and expansion. As we continue to explore Mars, we may not only discover if life exists beyond Earth, but we might also become an interplanetary species ourselves. The future of Mars exploration is not just about the Red Planet, it's about us and what we might become when we extend our reach beyond the confines of our home planet. The question of life on Mars is more than a scientific inquiry, it's a quest to understand our place in the universe. We've journeyed through the history of Mars exploration, delved into current research and discoveries, and peered into what the future might hold. From the first rovers that traced the Martian surface to the latest advancements in technology and the tantalizing clues of water and possible life, our understanding of the Red Planet has evolved tremendously. This journey, however, is far from over. As we stand on the brink of human exploration, Mars continues to tantalize us with its mysteries. The importance of Mars exploration and research cannot be overstated. It not only feeds our curiosity but also fuels our quest for knowledge, and the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. Remember, every like and subscription brings us one step closer to our next big discovery. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us in exploring the mysteries of the universe.